Sorry Cap. Hindi pala. Sorry Capuans. Welcome sa aking channel. And for today's video, we're gonna have a reaction video to a boy group. Actually, it was accidentally searched on YouTube. This boy group named the Untamed Boys. The Untamed Boys. So, I think this is from China, but their song here in my reaction video is dedicated or parang released in Thailand. So now we're gonna watch the video of TUBS or the Untamed Boys. Ayan. Amazing Thailand kasi. Yan. Kasi Thai, oh. Or maybe they are popular in Thailand. That's why they release this song. Love Siren. I already... May ambulance, di ba? Wow! Oh. Chinese version of Love Siren. Cute nila kamukha siya ni He looks like Jin Young of B1A4, my most favorite boy group before, but still I really love them. Oh. Wow. So the Untamed Boys here is a 5-member boy group, but I saw their lyric videos in YouTube. They are 6. This part of this song was sung by a girl with Paris, and I had a reaction video for that. So please visit my channel and look for my ambulance of Paris. I had a reaction video for that video. Even though I don't understand this. Chayurup la. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Diga. They are a 6-member boy group from China. But here in this music video, there are only 5. And it's really so long. Parang haba ng music video niya. Ang fresh lang kinakain nila. Good. Happy Chinese New Year. Maybe it was released Chinese New Year. Wow. Oh, fan meeting in Bangkok. Maybe they are very popular in Thailand. Pirwa. He is Pirwa. 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 Wow. Daddy Piro? I don't know who's the original, this boy group or Paris in this song, but I really like that song. It's really refreshing kasi. And I don't know if it is the... Sorry, Cap. Ayun. It's the official music video of Love Siren by TUBS or the Untamed Boys of China. And yeah, it's ano tayo? Ano? Anyway, basta I really like this parang this song because it was, I know it's from Thai pop music. Parang I'm haggard on like today. So I hope that you already watched the Love Siren of TUBS and also the Love Siren or My Ambulance of Nadaw Music. So I hope that you also like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bayo de Mesa. And please recommend me more music videos for me to have a reaction video and connect to you, all of my ones. So please keep safe and subscribe to my channel. That's all for my vlog. I hope you like it. Cup con cup.